I mean, that's the whole idea of the temple. The
Okay.
temple is a microcosm of the garden. As a matter of fact, the temple was designed as a garden, and death cannot prevail. As a matter of fact, when you read chapter 3 of the book of Genesis, towards the end of the chapter, it actually tells you that God set cherubims to guard the way to a tree of life to keep Adam from extending his arm and eating of the tree of life and live forever.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, and then you see the book of Revelation, chapter 22, verse 4, verse 2, in which it says there'll be a new Jerusalem, verse 4, I think it is, can't remember. And he says, and then the tree of life will be there providing fruit. The 12, uh,
Mm-hmm.
every
12
12 for the 12 months
for the healing of the
for the
nation.
healing of the nations.
Yeah.
Well, healing from what? What is the virus all of humanity has? Death.
Death. Yeah.
That's the real message in the Bible, is
Hmm.
that God came to show humanity that he would devour death and make us sacred space. And that's the reason why we have been sealed with his Holy Spirit.
Mm-hmm.
Because now death has no dominion. That
Okay.
means we still die, but we have the
Yeah.
hope of resurrection.